Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Today we will begin chapter 10 division of polynomials on textbook page number 61. Last year we have studied how to perform addition, subtraction and multiplication on algebraic expressions. Fill in the blanks in the following examples. First one, 2a plus 3a. You have to add only the number. You have the same variable a of both the number. You cannot add the variable. Variable a you have to write as it is only one time. Add only the number. 2a plus 3a, answer is 5a. Next, 7b minus 4b. You have the same variable b on both the number in subtraction. You cannot subtract the variable. Variable b write as it is. Only one time you have to write. You have to subtract only the number. 7b minus 4b, answer is 3b. Next, 3p into p square. First you have to multiply the number and then the variable. You don't have any number here before p square. So you have to take it 1 if you don't have any number. 3 ones are 3. P into p square become p cube. 3p into p square is equal to 3p cube. Next, 5m square into 3m square. First multiply the number and then the variable. 5 3s are 15. M square into m square become m raised to 4. 5m square into 3m square is equal to 15 m raised to 4. Next, 2x plus 5y in bracket into 3 upon x. You have the formula of this sum. Write this question again. 2x plus 5y in bracket into 3 upon x. The formula is a into b plus c. Now this you have to write in multiplication form 2 times. A into b plus a into c. Okay. A into b underline plus a into c underline, and then you have to multiply. A into b is ab plus a into c is ac. When you are solving this sum, you have to use this formula. Okay, so let's start solving. 3 upon x you have to consider it as a, and in bracket which is there here, 2x you have to take it as b, and 5y you have to take it as c. Okay, you have to consider it. In place of a you have to take it as 3 upon x. In place of b you have to take it as 2x, and in place of c you have to take it as 5y. You have to understand this way and solve according to this. Now you have to write this multiplication form. Here how I have solved this side. 3 upon x into 2x, that is a into b, here which I solved, plus 3 upon x into 5y, that is a into c. X get cancelled. You have to solve this now. 3 2s are 6. Okay, this part I solved. Now you have to solve this part. 3 5s are 15. 15 into y, 15y upon x. So the final answer is 6 plus 15y upon x. You have to write the answer here. Now we will solve last one. 3x square plus 4y in bracket into 2x plus 3y in bracket. This sum also you have the formula. Write this question again. 3x square plus 4y in bracket into 2x plus 3y in bracket. Formula of this sum is a plus b into c plus d. A into c plus d plus B into C plus D. In first bracket you have to take first one, and then second bracket which is there, that you have to write it as whole in multiplication form. And then after that you have to take first bracket, second one is plus B, okay, in first bracket. Again you have to write multiplication form of second bracket full. So this formula you have to understand this way. Now you have to multiply this, A into C plus A into D, and then after that B into C plus B into D. Multiply this all, and you can do directly. A into C is how much? AC, plus A into D is AD, plus B into C is BC, plus B into D is BD. Okay, you have to solve like this. When you are solving this sum, you have to use this formula. So let's start solving this sum. In place of A, you have to take it as 3x square. In place of B, you have to take it as 4y. In place of C, you have to take it as 2x. And in place of D, you have to take it as 3y. And then finally you have to solve like this. 3x square into 2x plus 3y in bracket plus 4y into 2x plus 3y in bracket. What is repeating? 2x plus 3y is repeating 2 times. Second bracket which is there, that you have to take multiplication form 2 times. First bracket which is there, that you have to take first one, and then you have to take multiplication form full. Then again you have to take before that you have to take plus sign, and then again first bracket which is there, second one which is there, 4y, and then again you have to write multiplication form this second bracket full. Remember this. How you have to multiply this all? 3x square into 2x plus 3x square into 3y. Okay, first multiply this part and then this part. 3 2s are 6. 6 into x square into x, how much? 6x cube plus 3x square into 3y. I multiplied this one. How much I am getting? 9x square I am getting. Now you have to solve this part now. Plus 4y into 2x. 4 2s are 8. 8 into y into x is 8xy. You have to arrange it in alphabetical order. That is plus 8xy. Then again you have to multiply. Plus 4y into 3y. 4 3s are 12. Y into y is y square. So I am getting answer plus 12y square. So this is the final answer. All these are unlike terms. You cannot add and subtract unlike terms. This is the final answer. So last one answer which I solved, you have to write it down, because in this box there is no place to write. So write it down. If you understood these sums, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.